Welcome to the channel. It's a nice mid-January day in upstate New York. As you can tell, there's some snow on the ground. Today's like in the 30s. Just getting back from a walk. I like to take walks when I can. It's been cold lately in the 20s, and I can't get myself out to do any walking in the 20s, so I went out today. You know, got to get that little bit of exercise. You know, I am over 50, so. But let's see what to talk about today. I want to talk about something. I want to do, I don't know, a vlog type video. Usually I'm doing some DIYs, you know, some home repair, outside repair, or I'm doing some product reviews or camping videos. But what I want to talk about today, you know, don't know. Let's talk about this channel, all right? What to talk about. I watch a lot of YouTube. There's a lot of channels out there. Different types of channels. I tend to watch the smaller channels. I feel that they're more authentic. Yes, I do some review videos myself, and you know, ask you if you're interested, if you click the links, because affiliate links, and yeah, I do get a small commission. I'm not in this to make millions of dollars. I'm actually in this for fun. I like doing videos. I like showing them to people, even my DIY. I know I'm not no master at anything. I'm not a master carpenter, master mechanic. I'm not a master, I'm not a master YouTuber. So, anything I do or show you, it's all the way I do things, okay? But I want to talk about some of these other channels. Nobody specific, okay? But I do like the smaller channels. I think they're more realistic. People that use their phones, use what you got, Yes, I use my phone. I use my phone inside. I do have an Action, DJI Osmo Action 4 that I'm recording on right now. But I only use this outside. I have, oh, you're a hawk. But anyway, I only use this outside because I have the settings set up for outside. Okay? My phone is for inside. It takes, better video inside. That's the way I am. I have a different camera for different settings, different things, because I hate to change my settings on cameras. I just like to hit record and go, depending on my situation. I don't like to, I don't want to forget. That's what I wanted to say. I don't want to forget to change the settings depending on where I'm at. I've used this inside. It's a little dark. I'd have to change the settings. But it's good for outside. And I like this. Okay? I don't know if you can hear it. I can't see it. It's a little cloudy today. It was flying around when I was coming back from my walk, but now I don't see it. But anyway. Don't see it, but anyway. Like I was saying, smaller channels. Fumble around a little bit with the, talking and stuff. Like me. This is my second channel. I do have another channel. This channel is small. My other channel is small. My other channel is monetized though. I have a motorcycle channel that I, I have a motorcycle, I ride, and I do videos, ride videos up with my motorcycle. If you're interested, I'll put the link down below for that channel if you're interested in motorcycles. But I also, on that channel, I do ride videos and, maintenance and accessory videos with me and my brother. And, he rides too. He has a different bike than me, but I use all his stuff. But anyway, there'll be a link if you're interested in motorcycles. But anyway, this channel's really small, not monetized. And this channel is a little bit of a project for me. So, they say you need a niche. I don't have a niche. I do different stuff. Like I said, I do DIY stuff. I've been outside. I do camping stuff. I did home repairs inside my house. I do product reviews, whatever. Hopefully in the spring, I want to get into e-biking. So I'm thinking about purchasing an e-bike in the spring, and I will be doing some e-bike videos and stuff like that. Different bike paths in the area and stuff like that. Bike trails. I'll probably do a product review on the bike that I purchased. And if any of you out there are e-bike companies, hit me up. My email's in the description below. I'll do a product review for you. Little plug there, huh? Okay. But anyway, where was I? Oh yeah, so doing that, hopefully we get back into camping. I did a couple camping videos there last fall. Me and my wife want to get back into camping again, so I'm gonna be doing that. But anyway, what was I talking about? See, look at this. I'm on a roll here. Just, I don't know. But anyway, smaller channels. You don't need big equipment. I don't like all the fancy editing either on some of these. All right. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Don't like that. I like the real people just sitting there talking, whatever. One thing you do gotta have kind of good video. Not video. Duh. Here we go. See? Little tongue slip. You gotta have good audio, so people can understand you. That's the one good thing. One thing you do need to have good. Okay, audio. Camera. Yes, eventually, be good. If it's all fuzzy and blurry, you can't see anything. Okay, but any phone can take good video. So, but you need audio quality. Editing, you don't need no fancy editing. Just edit out your dead space. Edit out some of your mistakes or whatever. But very seldom do I don't even know why I'm saying very seldom, because I always edit. I'm not doing no fancy edits. I'm just cutting out my my ums, stuff like that. Cutting out my blank space. Cutting out the section where I want to, made a mistake or something, talking and whatever. So I cut that, sections out like that and just, go on from there. So you don't need no fancy equipment. You don't need no fancy editing software. Okay. You need something to talk about and just talk about it. I've been doing this, I don't know, over 3 years with my other channel. This channel here is relatively new. But if you got something to talk about, just go ahead and do it. Anyway, I don't know. I don't even know. I'm just rambling on. So, just doing a talking head, video today. No DIY here this time. No product review this time. But just wanted to talk. So, anyway, Oh, well, guess I'll just let you go on this. See, there's a mistake right there. So anyway, I guess, I'm already in 10 minutes or so. I don't know what it'll be after I edit. Not edit. I may just continue on. I don't know. Just let it go. But anyway, that's all I'm going to talk about today. If, like I said, this channel's small. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. If you think this video is good, give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. And see you next time. Bye.